adding a countdown timer for your live stream. So this is where you'll go to, you can get this right off of YouTube. So let's go to our Microsoft Edge and then to YouTube, and I have just put in here Christmas countdown for church with music. Now this is a 5-minute timer, and you probably don't want to do that. Plus, here's the thing about having music. If Facebook deems that it's copyrighted, then it will mute it. So, but let's say you want to do this one here. You can start it pretty much anyways, but I would just do it at 30 seconds or so. So right there at 31, 33, just pause it right there. And then what you want to do is click share and click start at 428 and then copy. Now that you have that, you can exit that out and minimize this. Go back to vMix, and here you'll add input and web browser and put your clicker here, your mouse, and right click and paste. And then you're ready to go. Click OK. And now you have a video. Now notice it's down here because you've got all these things open. So when you scroll down or use your mouse to scroll down, there's your video there. You can click on that, it'll go to preview. And well, it's actually playing. So yeah, so it actually started playing. So what you can do is just pause it by just clicking on it here. So there it's playing. Just pause it, and then you'll want to click on full screen. See that little icon right there? And then it's ready to go. Now you can back this up where you want to. Notice as I drag it, there's 31 seconds right there. And now when I'm ready to go live, I'm going to start this first, and then I'm going to cut. So I'm going to, actually let's back it up because it takes a little bit to start the stream. Let's do it at 41 or 40. So click play, click cut. So now it's live, and click stream. Now you may want to back it up a little bit before that. Now you can't hear the music because I don't have this on my tutorial, but you can see the bars there. That means that your sound is on. So when you get down to of course 9-10 seconds, and you probably want to turn off the closed captioning too. So ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and cut. And now you go to your live stream. And then what you want to do is scroll back up and get ready for your next scene, and then cut to that, etc. All right, so that's how that you add a countdown timer. Don't forget to stop your stream when you're done your service.